bus. The bus is running.
Move, the tire is going to explode. Move the tire.
I've never traveled in Nile Star.
Sorry. But this is the problem. Why don't they move with enough fire extinguisher? So the big fire extinguisher, they would have saved the situation. Huh?
The small one is not enough.
Can't be.
No, they delayed the...
No, the fire extinguisher is very small. Need the big one.
It wasn't enough.
Not enough at all.
Yes, yes.
Everybody came out, but the bus can't survive. Huh?
Yeah. What actually happened? Is it the tire burst?
The tire burst and it was the inner tire and it rubbed on the other one. That's what happened.
Oh no.
But you people, why don't you have enough fire extinguisher? That is very small. You need to have 4.
A full bus like this.
No, if you have 4 or 15 kilo, this bus it would have helped you. Sorry. No, all your buses should have that.
They have. That one,
No, that's what I'm saying. You need to have 4. 4. You need to have 4.
Now,
Would have finished it.
maybe you can use in California, ask them to take people who are from emergency.
But it cannot pass. But now the items of those people, all those things are going to burn.
But most of them we removed them.
No, the ones you put on the roadside is going to burn. Nobody has a fire extinguisher there?
This is
Even useless.
This one is useless.
No, useless, but just to stop the burning.
The fire.
Yes.
This one now fire unless the fire brigade. But find when it is.
I think that is very unfortunate. Next time you should have 4, 5 of them. See? 4, 5.
The whole bag is now burned.
That is now gone. Sorry.
Oh dear, this is impossible. Why this accident? This is the one of